Hello, and welcome back to Zero Diabetes Zone. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions around the world: type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a chronic condition that occurs when the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or becomes resistant to insulin. This can lead to high blood sugar levels, which, if left unmanaged, can cause serious health problems. So, what exactly is type 2 diabetes? Unlike type 1 diabetes, which is usually diagnosed in childhood, type 2 often develops later in life, but we are seeing younger cases now due to lifestyle changes. In people with type 2 diabetes, insulin either isn't being used properly by the body, or there simply isn't enough. This leads to a buildup of sugar in the blood, which can result in serious complications like heart disease, kidney damage, or even vision loss. Some common symptoms to look out for include excessive thirst, frequent urination, unexplained weight loss, fatigue, and blurry vision. If you've experienced any of these, it might be time to speak with your healthcare provider. Early detection is key in managing the condition effectively. Now, let's talk about the risk factors. While genetics play a role, lifestyle choices are a huge factor. Obesity, lack of physical activity, an unhealthy diet, and even stress can increase your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. The good news is that type 2 diabetes is largely preventable. Maintaining a healthy weight, staying active, and eating a balanced diet can significantly lower your risk. So, what can you do if you've been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes? The cornerstone of diabetes management is a balanced approach to lifestyle changes and, when necessary, medication. Staying on top of your blood sugar levels, eating foods that are low in refined sugars and carbohydrates, and incorporating regular physical activity can help manage the condition. If left unmanaged, type 2 diabetes can lead to long-term complications, including cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and kidney issues. That's why it's crucial to take control of your health early on. However, with the right care and mindset, many people live full and active lives with diabetes. So, whether you're at risk, recently diagnosed, or managing the condition, taking charge of your health is essential. Small changes today can lead to big improvements tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Zero Diabetes Zone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips and advice. Remember, managing type 2 diabetes starts with knowledge and action. See you in the next video.